Nona yam ndibambele way. Tap please from uTimo.
But kajonge le pouch. Keyboard. Qharha sibe ngathi awuqharhazanga kwekwe. Boha ke jonga impuku. Mpuku i-mouse boy ke lena ne-cables zakhona. Look at how slim it is. Yo, this thing is so cool. I can use it for my schoolwork. I can use it for entertainment and watch all my videos, bro. Like anything I want to do. Amazing camera quality and also fast performance when editing or playing games. So andazi bakutheni ke ngokuwena boy yami ungenayo le way.
So ulindele kwekwe. Go get yourself this tablet from Timo
for just R0, kwekwe. And this is how you can get it. So you get on the Timo app and search my discount code, the one I've put on your screen right now. And then you see the flash sale. R0 flash sale. And it's first come, first serve. So boy. Go get it now.